You go to Kisumu, you go to Thika, you go to Kitengela, you go to Kilifi. See the many land conflicts that are there, double registration of land. How did that happen when you leaders were there? How? How did that happen when you have ethical standards within the survey and land valuation? How does it happen that a single piece of land is valued by 4 surveyors and one says it is 2 million, another one says it is 30 million, another one says it is 40 million? Is it voodoo or science? Those of you who are training now as surveyors and land valuers, we are going to have equipment which will take care of the work that 100 of you are doing. In other words, in the next 10 years, you'll be irrelevant. You'll be dinosaurs. Your training will have no meaning. And the question is, how do you make sure that you remain relevant? The original sin is at the level of training. How are we training people at our universities and institutions of learning? If you go to many African universities, if you go to the universities in this country that train people in the survey department, the equipment is as old as when I was at the university, which is over 30 years ago. In other words, you are using things that are completely outmoded. You still have lecturers coming and standing before you with yellow notes, dog-eared notes, and reading those notes, and they want you to compete in the 21st century.
The biggest challenge in this country is not the professional. The biggest problem is the engagement of unqualified persons who we call quacks. It's only when things go wrong is when you want to say, I engaged a surveyor, but did you confirm the credentials of the surveyor? Is he a registered surveyor? Is he a registered valuer? And unfortunately, the government has not taken a very hard stance in clamping down on those masquerading as professionals, more in the land sector. Na kwa sababu registry zetu ni zile ziko manual, ukitaka kufanya ulaghai inakuwa rahisi kuliko kama ingekuwa digitali, kwa sababu kubadilisha records inakuwa ni rahisi kama wewe ni mtu mlaghai. Nchi haijawekeza kuweka records ya land digital, ikuwe transparent na ikuwe secure. Ukiwa na records ambayo iko secure, unaweza track nani amefanya nini kwa hiyo registry, unatoa hiyo changamoto.